Can a new window really stop drafts? So you ever sit by a window like during the winter and you can almost feel the breeze coming through? That's probably one of the top complaints we get about old windows or windows that need to be replaced. A good window keeps the weather outside where it belongs, and drafts happen for multiple reasons. Primarily, something in the window has failed, like the weather stripping, or maybe it's become out of alignment so it doesn't close all the way like it should. And that's not something you can really fix. You can't adjust windows like you could possibly adjust doors or something like that. Windows are made to operate, and if they get out of alignment, or if they get warped, or the weather stripping has failed, there's not a whole lot you can do. What new modern windows are usually provide, depending on the manufacturer, is an insulated frame, and they're reinforced so that they don't warp or sag over time, and have multiple layers of weather stripping. So by replacing your windows, you're going to automatically feel that difference and reduce drafts immediately. So if you are experiencing drafty windows, or maybe even a lot of condensation during extreme temperature changes, that's a good sign that your windows are going to need to be. And like I said, there's no real way to adjust those. You just need to have someone take a look at replacing those for you.